We leave it attached down on the tibia here. We release it free.
I'm Dr. Paul Shupe. I'm an orthopedic surgeon for UT Physicians at Memorial Villages.
Doesn't really move much unless you step.
I'm a sports medicine specialist, fellowship trained in ortho sports surgery. My mom was a nurse, and I always loved her interactions coming home from the hospital. So from a young age, I liked medicine. I went to med school, spent 12 years in the Navy taking care of an athletic population. One thing I loved about the military is just the camaraderie of the surgeons I worked with, the whole core of the nurses and just medical doctors. I feel like we have that sort of unique relationship here at UT as well. Being in orthopedic sports medicine, spend a lot of time on sidelines, spend a lot of time on basketball courts. I'm one of the team physicians for the University of Houston, but I'm often found on high school football fields, and in the high school arena, spend a lot of my time educating athletes, young and old, on injury prevention, post-injury recovery. My specialty focuses surgically on shoulders and knees.
Here's that bruising that you have here.
One of the things that I really enjoy doing is complex knee, cartilage restoration, meniscus transplants, osteotomies, and revision surgeries. So I think that's an important part of my practice, is getting to know my patients and really establishing a relationship to them. So I think it's very important to build a relationship of trust with someone that you may or may not need to operate on. All my patients are my favorites, but one of my favorite outcomes is a patient that had seen and had multiple injuries over the course of her career, taking her from the journey of revision to surgeries, and then 2.5 years later getting a picture on my phone of her skiing, saying, I finally made it. Is pretty awesome.
Hey, muchas gracias. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.